Late on Monday night, huge tree fall down in the house rooftop of Bir Mohan Debarma as a cause of Remal cyclone. With that, the tin of the roof was dismantled. Incident took place at East Rajnagar area under Khowai Tulashikar RD block. On Monday, Remal cyclone has caused the damage and affected many families of many areas of the state. As a result of the cyclone, many huge trees has fallen down and also dismantled many houses of many families. Likewise, this Remal cyclone has also affected Bir Mohan Debarma. Late on Monday night, huge tree fall down in the house rooftop of Bir Mohan Debarma due to Remal cyclone. With that, the tin of the roof was dismantled. Incident took place at East Rajnagar area under Khowai Tulashikar RD block. Family of Bir Mohan Debarma are now worried as of how to remove the tree that has fallen down in their rooftop.
Ayang bol no kaje yang no go ko no ko trai bi alan san ki an ka therang ko na to ha ke therang san san kai abno an ko yam ko na je an ora dala ka je ka ha ko na dora ma an ko ne an ko ni sa je ka trai ni
obu phang rok no le nung tak ba ke no nan he tong
abon no nan ni samoja boti ke no nan tabu abno wana ke
kun dang kha ni nok rok ba bai khet je bu phang klai
Net ting kai pai thong cha no bu ko chai pasta jaga ti klai cha tabu no ti jo ti dai
khoni 12 tek tan jorang ngo to si lok pha phai kya
to si lo to ai ko khabar da ma ko me ten ne jang bu number ko kan ni ko number me ka ni lo to je ko wa ti
me mat chare man la khus da khani kya
no ko klai je ga ko no ko me
khai dan tong na Enggak nang tabuk tahsildar ong thani eba tabuk je karyokari khai tonai member chairman thani rok nung tak sajo na yota tai ni bu phan norjana ning tho tai aboni kisas khoros man tho nai ni ni mungkai parangkai.
At the end, Bir Mohan Debarma seek the help from people to remove the fallen tree from his house. Reported by Biplov from Khowai, Chini Khorang.